Today's episode is 87 reacted to Angela's snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but she destroyed it. And this video has been requested by Tony Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, 87 again. I'm going to react to Angela's snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but I had enough of Angela's snore replacement. But anyways, let's destroy it.
Matter what?
Oh my god. How many times do I have to tell you about Angela's snore replacement? That's it. It's bombing time. There. That's what you get for replacing Angela's cute snore. Good thing it's black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 203.